Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with another Walmart toy hunt video. This one is pretty interesting. We've got the battle damage albertosaurus here. Haven't seen this figure in a while actually here in Canada. We've also got the battle damage Tyrannosaurus. Really cool seeing the two Tyrannosaurs in one location, as they're both pretty neat battle damage figures. We've also got some of the Savage Strike assortment, just monolophosaurus and Stitchmolic. Got gallimimus, the eggs, the captive eggs that are oh so popular here. We also have mini blind bag dinosaurs from Camp Cretaceous. And then up here we've got the Sound Strike Pteranodon, and I think another one in the back too. Again, which haven't seen in a while here. It's a galley chilling over here. But yeah, no, that pretty decent. No Spino at this one. Not that I see. It might be in another aisle. But as of that, that's pretty decent. I'll probably pick up 2 of these eggs, maybe 3. I don't know, I'd still have like 5 of the dinosaurs on the side left to find. But yeah, no, hope you guys enjoyed this little update video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.